So for our group project, we're doing different color liquids and see if it affects taste perception. The importance is taste is one of our traditional five tastes. Taste is a sensation that allows one's mouth to react chemically to a substance which occurs due to taste cell receptors that are located on the tongue. And these taste cell receptors, also known as taste buds, one is allowed to determine flavors of foods, liquids, and etc. We can even determine our liking towards a certain food or liquid. And the research question is, do different color liquids affect taste perception? And our hypothesis is, if a subject doesn't see the color of the liquid, then it will affect taste perception. If we can find results, then we will find out if color affects taste perception. Alright, and the participants that we used were our family members and our friends. And the independent variable is the different color of liquids. And the dependent variable is the reaction towards the colors and see if they do indeed affect the taste perception. And the procedure that we're doing, okay, so I'm going to just read it. It says the subject will be blindfolded so they can't see the color of three different liquids. I would then tell them false colors of each of the three liquids. Then they would taste the liquid and give the taste perception of the liquid. Then, after they'll take off their blindfold, and then they'll be told the color of the liquid and taste each drink, and then they'll give their taste perception again. Afterwards, we will compare each taste from the blindfolded and the ones that weren't blindfolded, and conclude whether color affects taste perception. Okay, and so what we did, we had different people do it, and got the results right here. We even have a table of the 5 different subjects that we were able to do because we weren't able to do a lot. And here it is. Okay, so this side right here is the soda with the soda, and then its false color, and then at the top we have the subject, and if they correctly guessed it or not. Okay, and then we can see the results right here with the Mountain Dew. Mostly everyone said no, because I told them it was yellow. Actually, this is the Purple Crush, I'm sorry. I told them that the Purple Crush is yellow, and they didn't. Most people, they didn't guess that flavor. Most of them said it was pineapple, being told that it was yellow. And then for the Red Mountain Dew, I told them that it was blue, and most of them said raspberry, but 2 others weren't full. And then for the root beer, most people were not fooled. They understood. They guessed it right. So we concluded that color does affect taste perception. If you can't see the color, you're likely to assume a different taste than what it is. But however, with the more distinctive tastes like the root beer, it's easy to find out what it is, and it's easy to say what it is. So that mostly we conclude that color does affect taste perception. And then also I'm gonna go look at it. Okay, and then third, it says, do your results coincide with your hypothesis? I don't know if I said that right, but it says, well, do they agree with your hypothesis? I think it did, for the most part. I really do, because people didn't guess it right. People mostly didn't guess right. But with that, the flavor such as root beer, and everyone know what root beer is, it was easy for them. And then it said, what could you have done differently in the project, such as variables you could have examined? I think the age also affected people, because I did 2 older people and the rest were younger people. So I guess that could have been differently. And and I know my mom, she told me something about she had to do a similar project, but with her she used food coloring. So maybe that could have been, but for the most part, I thought what we did was very consistent. Like we used the same liquids with everyone. We used the same blindfold with everyone. So I think for the most part, it was very consistent. And that's it.